Copy this. I think I have to go to billing MS. Yes, MS here. Billing operations controller. What controller, guys? Billing operations controller. db.user, db.pass. db.user, db.password. Convinced with me or not there? Okay, that's good, great, fantastic. Yeah. Boot MS process 6, billing MS provider config client. This is my what? Eureka server. This is my what? Cart consumer. This is my what? Cart consumer. Okay, that's 5. Okay, leave it. I think we are ready with this, but in billing MS also, I have to give the feeling it is displaying, content is coming and we are seeing them now, boss. Okay, instance ID, all this stuff is there. Here, what is there? DB user. Dot DB password. One is DB user, one is DB password. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay, that's good. Yeah, now tell me. This is my Eureka server. What server? Eureka. Yeah, this is Pros 6 Eureka server application or not there. Shall we run this application, guys? Okay. Let's run this application. Right click. One by one, I have to test whether my theory and practical is matching or not matching. We have to see that one or not there. First, I am starting Eureka server. First, I am seriously starting what? Eureka server. Yeah, this is ready. Now, let me start config server. Right click. What is there? Right click. What is there? Java application. Yeah, config server is ready. Billing MS, guys. Run as Java application. Cart MS, guys. What is there? Cart MS, guys. Here is what? Run as Java application. Here is what? Run as Java application. Oh, the thread.sleep is there. Fine, no problem. You have to wait a little extra time this time. Okay, boss. Now, all things are. Now, let me open application.properties here. System Tiger is there. Just some dummy data, right? Okay. Now, config server is there means 8761. Config server is there means what? 8761. Okay, second microservice is under launching process. Let's wait for some time. Let's wait for some time. Right now, number of instances are not important for us. Only one thing is started, a second one not started. Oh, terminated. Consumer application terminated. Why? Spell mistake is there. Sure. Now you are telling my dear. Okay, optional. Right click. Tell me. Run as Java. Yeah. Say refresh. Say what, guys? Refresh. That's good. Tell me here. Cart MS 6677. Cart MS 6677. Right. Okay, guys. Here, what is there? Cart API. Cart API slash cart. Am I right? Any context path is there? Context path is there or not there? I think there is a context. Not there? Let me check. Context path already coming there. Initialization completed. Okay, that's good. Not this. What is there? Cart MS is coming already, right? Cart API slash cart 404. There was an expected error 404. How come? Cart MS cart. This one you are saying? Wait, Rana. Cart MS is a small only, na? Cart MS small only. Eureka server. Okay. Not added. Hey, added. Wait a minute. Something else, something gone wrong. Wait. No, error should give circle. Config client is there, na? Starter config. Cart MS. What is there? Cart API slash cart. Requested resource 404 error. Yeah, let's see what's the reason. Read timeout. Read timeout. Wait a minute. Yeah, we followed everything, guys. Yeah, I go to that billing MS, guys. I go to this billing MS. I'll remove that thread dot sleep. I remove this what? Thread dot sleep. GitLab account. Config.input optional colon config server colon. If it is other than this port number, you have to write this one. To link a config client with this one, before Spring Boot 2.4, we need to place like this. You have to write manually. From 2.4 onwards, you have to write like this, right? 2.4 example, and other than 8080 port number, you have to write the port number manually. But right now, it is running on 8888 port number. This is valid only, na? This is valid only. Let's, 1 minute. Let's clean the project once. Let's clean the project once. Technically speaking, there should not be any error, guys. Because we added a config client and everything. 1 minute. Let me confirm. 1 minute. Let me confirm config client is really added or not. Add starters. Add starters. Yeah. Config client. Where is this? Config client. Say next. Did I not select pom.xml properly earlier? Okay. Web starter. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, same thing. Okay, already added, boss. It's added. Okay. Ah, billing MS, I have to check. Pom.xml. Let's see. Client. Yes, is there. Starter config is there here also. Fine, guys. I think from our side, everything is there. Let's check why it is not coming. Yeah, where is this? Eureka server. Let's start the Eureka server. Run as Java application. Next one, config server run as a Java application. What is there? Run as a Java application. Run as a Java application. That's good. Yeah, tell me next one. Cart MS config client. Yeah, tell me. Right click and tell me. Run as a Java application. Billing MS. Java application. Billing MS Java application. This is billing API / bill. Okay. Eureka server, guys. Kati started. What is started? Kati is started. Billing is also started. Okay. Billing MS. What is next one? Billing API, no problem. Provider also we are. Okay. Then what is their bill? Enter key. System Tiger is coming. Okay, that's good. Okay, now go to Cart MS, guys. Go to Cart MS. Tell me. Cart API / cart. Only Cart MS is not working. That to 500 error. Wait. 500 error. That means some exception is coming. Some exception is coming. Load balance does not contain instance for the service. HTTP billing MS. Twice billing MS is coming, ra. But other day it worked, na. Twice it is showing billing MS was billing. But only one time only it should be there, na, guys. Okay. So it's not problem with this. It's a problem with the config client. Sorry, fin client. It is problem related to what? Fin client. But our config server concept is working, guys. But we have to sound check why it is not working. Yeah. Billing API bill. Okay, let me try without this. / billing API this. Save this. Let's stop only, what is that? Cart MS. I stopped only Cart MS. Now let's start the cart MS. Let's again start the cart MS. If I give global path, some headache. If I don't give global path, some headache. Let's see. Billing MS, a small letter only, na? I think I have not touched them. Say Eureka server, say refresh. Oh, cart MS second instance has come. What happened to existing instance? Right? Existing instance is stopped or not stopped? Existing instance is okay, fine, let it be. Yeah, tell me. Cart MS, where is this? Cart API / cart. 500 error. What's happening, guys? What's happening? Billing MS, billing API slash bill. Pin exception not found. How come, Rababu? How come not found? Why it is behaving like this? Why it is behaving like this, guys? Fin client is giving problem, right? Yesterday we have seen output na billing MS, right? I think yesterday we have seen output or not there. It's working or not working. Why it is behaving like this? 1 minute. As someone said yesterday, let's change the version to little lower version. Yesterday someone said na 3.4.5. Say refresh. It's not working in recent version, some problem. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. So now problem is not with config server, problem is with what? Fin client. We'll try one more time, otherwise we'll change that one to load balancer because my focus is not on what? Fin. My focus is on what? Load balancer. So let's work with what? Load balance. We'll develop the load balancer client manually. What we have to do? No option. Eureka server, guys. Stop it. Where is this instance? When instance is not there, why it is showing instance? This is terminated. Cart consumer. This is in running mode. Okay, that's good. Click on it. Yeah, tell me here. Cart MS, cart API. 500 error. What's the error, guys? 500 error. Okay. So problem is with the fin client, guys. Let's not waste time on it. Okay. Let's not waste time on it. Let's change the code to who? Load balancer client. Okay. We'll work with the latest version only. We work with what's the 3.5.3. Let's work with the latest version only, guys. Okay, this client component is there or client is there or not there? This is my MS, right? Not this. Okay, go to load balancer client. Yes. Here is my client package now, my dear. Okay, let's take this one. Copy this. Delete this. Say paste. Billing MS client component, guys. Load balancer client. We are submitting this one. For that one, we are adding all this stuff, right? Yes, one and the same, na? Okay, that's good. MS. Now let's see. Right click, run on Java. Run on Java application. Run as Java application. Say refresh. Let's have a look on Eureka server, guys. 1 minute. If it's still giving problem, what we do is we stop the Eureka server once and we'll start. Say refresh. Yeah. What is there? Cart MS, cart API, cart. It's coming now. System Tiger twice. Why twice? Any guess? We are injecting common properties in client MS. We are also injecting common properties in what? Provider MS. And provider MS result we are combining with what? Consumer MS result. So both the times they are coming or not there. Okay. Fin client, I think some technical issue with that, but right now our focus is not on Fin client. Our focus is on what? Config server. I think you can be connected to this config server now, boss. Okay. If you don't want to create project and property file in GitLab, you can also create in GitHub. Same process. You can also create in GitHub. And one more thing. Suppose you created what? Private account. What account? Private project in the GitHub or GitLab. Then you have to submit username, password extra. Username, password of Git username, password, you have to pass it. We can use GitHub Bitbucket also as external configuration for configuration server using the same process. While working with the GitHub, there is no need to introduce one or other working person, right? Okay, where I can see participants, guys. Where is the list of participants? I have to make someone to switch on the mic. Here, 3 dots, no. Yeah, here is my 3 dots. Where are there? Participant. Okay. Invite me, remind. Okay. Rosalind. Rosalind, are you there? Rosalind. It's J, na? Okay. Rosalind. Yes. Rosalind, can you unmute your mic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How are you, Rosalind?
Hello, sir. I'm good, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you
You
for
are good.
asking. How about you, sir?
Yes, I'm good, doing well. Fine. Okay. Like I invited you to share your journey. I think now please unmute.
Are you able to hear me, sir?
Yeah, now it's audible.
Oh,
Please share your interesting and dynamic journey with all people. Especially, I want you to share that Corona time you did 6 jobs parallelly. Okay,
sure,
that
sir.
that should be shared, and how you managed, how many salaries you got at that time. Okay, who are the person who fully utilized Corona pandemic situation, right?
Yes, sir.
So just share with the people and inspire them.
Yeah, sure. Hello, everyone. It's a real honor to be here with all of you today. Thank you for joining this session, sir. I truly hope that my journey gives you even 1% of the motivation you need right now in your life. Let me start by being honest. My journey has not been glamorous. There were no shortcuts, no magic, no easy wins. During the time when I joined coaching in Narasati, while most of student classmates likes to enjoy their festivals, parties, trips, or just relaxing, but I was walking a different path. Like I used to study a lot, day, night, and not just before my exams. I was constantly trying to improve myself. Every time I joined Kojava and Hare Krishna sir batch, but parallelly I joined Natras sir's advanced Java, Spring Boot. Spring Boot was not there that time. Spring frameworks were there. Hibernate was there. I like to use my 12 hours in class coachings and like labs. So and not just there were times when I stayed awake still 3 or 4 a.m. Revising concepts, learning the things outside the syllabus, upskilling myself even when no one asked me to. uh, like I was that much motivated from Natras sir like to tell, when everyone enjoying, you have to use your time for study. Don't go homes for festivals. Go next year with your success. So I every time keep using motivated from Natrasas. It was not easy. Like it felt lonely at times. I remember like when I sitting in my room, hearing people's outside laughing, enjoying, celebrating their like they likes to. Uh, Enjoy their festivals, everything's, but I used to wonder like, am I missing out in life? But something inside me always said like, keep going, one day this will make sense. So what kept me going was my family. My parents had worked so hard their entire life, and all I wanted was to be in a position there I could give them a life they truly deserved. That thought kept me alive on the hardest days. So after college, the struggle didn't end. Getting that fast job was not that much easy. I didn't have the best connections or the perfect profile, but I had one thing like constantly effort. I took extra responsibility. I also did mistakes, a lot of them, but I made sure I learned from every single ones. And today, like after years of that effort, I can proudly say I am working in a role that I love, earning a six-figure monthly income, and more importantly, like I almost done constructing a 7 BHK home with my business also. I am able to give happiness to my parents. I'm able to share these thoughts, all presence here. And like that the house is not just made of bricks and cements. It was made with like every late night studies, every tears, all the motivated from the Natrasa, every sacrifice, every no, like I said, to distractions. And like when I look at that house now, I know like it was all worth it. And I share this with you not to show up but to show you like that your dreams are valid. So to all the students listening today, let me share three things that changed in my life. Like consistency, it beats talents. So you don't need to be the smartest, just be consistent. Even small progress every day adds you grow up. That sacrifice is temporary but the results are permanent. Yes, you might miss out on some fun now, but trust me, listen to the Natras sir, what he's telling, what he motivating, and also the peace of mind and pride you get later is something else. And don't wait for motivations. Like you should have to keep motivated yourself also. Discipline will take you where like motivation cannot. So of even one days you did not, like you don't feel like it. So there were the days I cried in silence, days when nothing was working, days when rejections after rejections made me question everything. But I told myself, this is not the end, this is the process. And like slowly things started falling into peace. Before I end, I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to Natras sir, like who plays very important role in my journey. So like there were times when I doubted myself, when the pressure felt too much, when I was mentally exhausted. But Natras sir's words, his motivations, his belief on me, and their constant motivation gave me strength to reach in these positions. And thank you, Natras sir, for always encouraging me to stay disciplined and focused even when I was uncertain about my path. Like your guidance led me the foundation for the mindset I carry today. Your positivity, your belief in me, especially during those phases, like when I like to come to sir, will I get the job? Sometimes I ask her, like when I joined fast in coaching, but sir given such a motivate that like I felt definitely I will get the job, good job. Like teachers like you, like don't just teach, but you save the lives. And I will always carry your values with me wherever I will go. And I want to conclude my speech
Rosalind,
with
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah, you can conclude. People wants to know whether you joined as a fresher or you have shown gap as experience.
Actually, first I joined the TCS with CAPA's experience, but like even 1 year I shown. During COVID only I lost that job in. I stayed 40 days quarantine. I didn't bring laptop with me. My laptop was in Hyderabad. I was in Odisha quarantine. So that phases was though. But after that, when I felt bad again, I started with 5 6 jobs. That 6 jobs like confidently I have handled, like even each company I have worked for one years, and 2 3 was I continue 2 plus years, and it was very nice. Actually recently COVID gone and work from office started, so I'm not able to do that. I'm doing one job, but with a good package like 25 to 26 lakhs LPA.
Uh, yeah, now just share. People wants to know initially what was your package. Now currently what is your package, and how did you manage 6 companies during pandemic? What's the game you played? People wants to know.
Actually, first thing is I learned each things from Natrasar. From like Code Java class I have gone, but from Code Java I not that much knowledge in Code Java. In Natrasar class itself I learned Advanced Java, Code Java, Spring, everything I have like Hibernate. I played a game with the interviewer and with all company also I played the games and I worked for 6 company, and like I even one single task I was not pending in each company.
That's good. People wants to know what is your package when you started. Now what's the current package? You need not to
My
tell the company name, just tell the package.
Yeah. So I have joined with the package 7 8 lakhs in TCS, but later on I have started like 11 12 in each company, and current package is 26 LP.
All it happened in the span of 6 years or 5 years.
No, no, not 6, not 5 in 3.5.
You just have 3.5 years of experience, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Think you are a student of 2020.
Yeah. Actually, 2018, sir, I lost job in COVID actually.
Okay, got it, got it, got it. So total,
Yeah.
how much total experience you have now?
My experience are 3.4, like that.
Okay, 3.4 real and including cooked up.
1 year I have added.
Okay, 1 year you have added, right?
Yeah.
Right. Thank you, Rosalind. Okay. I think I have shared other 2 meeting IDs also. Please join for them also to share your journey.
Sure, definitely, sir.
It's really inspiring for
For
especially
you, sir,
girls.
my career, sir. I can tell, like, for you, my career, my journey, my beliefs, everything is going on for you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's yours is very, very inspirational. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Rosalind, you can quit the meeting. Not a problem. Fine, guys. Raka Kumar, tomorrow no class, guys. Next class will be on what? Monday. Next class will be on Monday. I think you will try with the GitLab, GitHub, and all this thing. Private project, submitting username, password. You take care of that part, guys. Okay. So next, what is there? Native config file. We have to work with what, guys? Native config file. But I think that needs a lot of time. That definitely needs what? A lot of time. Okay. Now, 1 minute. Let me experiment this then. At least one small experiment we do, guys. Yeah, where is this? Card consumer is there, na? I stop this. Okay, I just want to check whether keeping .git is optional or mandatory. Keeping .git is optional or mandatory. Oh, not here. I think not this. Fine. Okay, that experiment. And moreover, if you want to write complete URL, there is a provision to write complete URL also. Yeah, where is that? URI. You don't want optional config server. And if you want, you can write the URI also. If you want, you can write the URI also. If it is other than 8888 port number. If it is other, okay, let's test this one also, guys. Spring dot, where is this? Cloud dot, what is there? Config dot URI. Config dot URI. Tell me, guys. HTTP localhost. Where is this? 8888. HTTP://localhost 8888. Are you understanding my statement or not there? Spring dot cloud dot config dot URI. This is the another one we got. This is the another one we got. Yeah, we want to see that, and let's run this consumer application again. Run as Java application. Yeah, native config file. How to see the changes that are done in common property file to MS dynamically without touching the source code, without reloading the MS. Such concepts are there. We will discuss them when we meet in next session. That makes me to introduce actuators concept. Then we'll study about actuators one by one. Yeah, this is Eureka server, guys. Array, why previous instances are not going? Fine. This is some stupidity. Okay. Cart MS. Where is this? Cart/cart. It's working or not there? Mentioning URL is optional. If you want, you can mention. If it is other than 8888 port number, definitely you have to mention. If it is other than 8888 port number, definitely for sure you have to mention it. Can I upload the document, guys? I think yesterday we already uploaded this document. Already this document has been uploaded or not there. Yeah, tomorrow we don't have class, guys. Next class will be on Monday. Monday it's going to be regular.